Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and I am headed into Target to look around. So I thought I'd invite you guys to come along with me. Let's go shopping. So Target has started to put out some of their patriotic decor, and I'm going to share it with you guys. Now, I do have about 6 Targets really close to me, and only this one store has started to put these things out. So you may want to give it a little bit of time before you head into your Target, or maybe call ahead and ask before you make a long journey in. So they obviously have the hanging glitter stars. They have a couple of signs. $3. I'm not loving the combination of the metal, which could be really farmhouse, with some of the maybe more juvenile stars, but this is what they're putting out. They do have this fun little magnet tabletop sign that has the whole US across it, so you could pinpoint locations with the car. They also have the flag and the confetti in back of that. And these are all $3. These I think are going to be pretty popular. They're just miniature lanterns, and they're only $1. So I did not see any blue, but I did see the silver, the red, and the white. And that's a pretty good buy for a little piece of decor. This is the only hanging banner that I saw. I'm not sure if I missed the others or they're just beginning to put this stuff out. They do have the larger can version of the lanterns. These are $5. In years past, they were a little smaller and $3. And they had them in red and silver. And I was just checking because in years past, they've put some LED candles in them. Speaking of candles, they have the little star candles in 3 different scents. They have the red, and then they have the white and the blue. And I honestly didn't even take time to smell them. Right next to that, they have the string lights in stars. They're little metal stars with star cutouts for $3. And again, this is something I did not see any blue in, just the red and the white and silver, which I think was the cutest. So those are $3. And I am going to turn most of the items around in case you are looking for the DPCI code to look them up on Brickseek. Now I did find 2 pillows. I didn't find the other one until the end, so that'll be at the end of the video. But they do have this reversible pillow with the stars on the back, or you could do the flag on the front, and those are $5. And they usually put out these little wood cutout pieces of decor. This year they're covered in glitter, at least the stars are. They're $3. They usually do a USA. I have one from a few years back. And then this year they did love with the part in the center as the flag. They also did something that they've been doing more lately. They did hanging planters. So these are a ceramic planter with a jute twine hanger. for $5. Again, I saw red and white, no blue. They are putting out a couple decorative rugs. So I just saw the ones in stars, and these are $7. Definitely the higher range for Target, Bullseye's Playground, but that's been kind of what they're doing with the rugs, right around $7. So they do have it also in blue. I think what I'm not loving this year is that the blue is light, and I tend to like darker reds and blues. And yes, even Farmhouse has made it over to the Patriotic Decor in the Bullseye's Playground. They're putting out olive buckets with stars on them. Really cute. They are trimmed in red, white, or blue. And they're a good buy for $3. Now I'll just show you guys a few novelty items before we get back into decor. Just want to show you the different straws they're putting out, since I know so many of you are crafty people who like to pick these up for projects. I really like this silver. And then they have the red and white stripe. These little can coolers. I like to put my camera and phone in just to protect it in my purse. And they're bringing back the little star candy dishes. So you get 2 for $3. They have them in red, white, and blue. And I remember these in the past being bigger. At least the stars from last year, I believe, were a little bit bigger. These are just a little more small than what I can remember. The blue is definitely more on the cobalt side than the navy side, that's for sure. Some fun napkins and some decorative coasters. They also brought back the tablecloths. I remember them doing this last year. So they are $5. Don't mind the paint on my hands. I have been painting and DIYing for my daughter's bedroom. So I apologize if you see any paint on my hands. They've also got this red, white, and blue striped tablecloth, again for $5. And some double-walled insulated cups. They've got the stars and glitter, the plain red glitter, and then the flag print on a clear acrylic back with a red top, my personal favorite. And they're putting out the Mylar balloons that you self-inflate in different variations. The USA with stars, and then the plain stars, and love. And they are $5 for a pack. They have some plastic tableware. These little glasses are a nice find for $1. I like the little blue ones with the stars. They also have ones that say Happy 4th. And they brought back the Crocks. This is something I purchased last year in the American flag print. I know so many of you wanted these, so they are coming back. They have the red and white stripe, the blue and white stripe, and this is the version I picked up last year that I just love. I think it's really cute. It's $5. Good little piece of decor. They've got little sets of mason jars. These are $3 for a 2-pack. They have the utensil caddies, and these are in a few different variations. They all have this little handle with the wooden knob. They're $5. They have it in the flag print. They also have it in the silver tin and the white. Right next to those, they have the large drink tubs, or what are they calling these? These are beverage buckets. They're a pretty good size for $5. Let me show you guys with my hand. So pretty big, and they've got it in the American flag print and again in the silver tin as well as the white. This would be a really cute way to do a gift, especially in the silver or white bin. Fill it with a bunch of goodies and wrap it up. They have out some scarves, and some of these look familiar from last year. They also have the blue star with the little red tassels and some hats. So these are children's hats. They have the star print and then the cute stars and stripes. And this one with the little heart on it, I think this would be really cute for a little girl. Now, I don't wear hats, I get way too hot, but if I did, I would absolutely wear this. It's a really cute little fedora. I love the little red tassels on it. They put out a few different versions of the fedora. This one with the trim in red, white, and blue, and this one with the blue bill and then the little bit of red detail. They're putting out some red and blue crowns for $1. Those are always a big hit with the kids. They've also got all the bandanas in the stripe. They've got it in the plain red, the star, and the flag print. They have out quite a few bags covered in glitter. Now these are wristlets that they have in silver for $3, blue and red with the little wrist strap, and then they also have fanny packs. So they have those in all the same colors. I was trying to find a red one here to show you guys. It's the same size as the wristlet, it's just got the strap on it to make it a fanny pack. And then I found this hat for $3. Obviously very bright and metallic. And some totes. So these are canvas totes, pretty good size. This is the striped one. They're all $5. They also have this one that I think will be pretty popular. It's got the blue and white ticking stripe with the red handle. And then they do have it in the flag with the stars as your handle. They're putting out flip-flops in the Target Bullseye's playground for $3. Those are adult sizes. And they usually put out a few of these headbands, just fun things that you can wear for the 4th of July. This one says Happy 4th. And then they have this one in the silver USA. Now, right around the corner where we started, I must have missed these string lights. They just say USA 3 times, and these are $3. And here are a few novelty items. Now, when I picked up this beach ball, it was unexpectedly heavy. So I think this is a pretty big version of the beach ball. Same thing when I picked up this floaty. I think they're either well made out of heavy plastic or quite large. They have the little star necklaces, but save your money and get yours at the Dollar Tree where they're only $1. Here they are $3. They have some light up glasses in a couple different variations. These have the stars in the corners. And some really cute pens. This one's the little pinwheel. They have one on a string. And then this one is so cute, the little fan ball pin. Those are a really cute little goodie for $1. And they have it in this version. They always put out the matching notepads, and these do have the refrigerator magnet on the back. They did these in a few different prints, including the fireworks. And the stars. They have the children's glasses that are all $1. And they have some little light up toys, some tops, some yo-yos, which I think are really fun for $1. And the yo-yos I found in a few different prints. Found it in POW in blue, and then a few with flag and heart on them. They are filling their spots with flags right now. And they have put out some socks, both children and adult sizes. This one with the car loaded up for vacation, I think is the cutest of all of them. This one, the little mismatch, stars and stripes, some stars and hearts, and the flag. Definitely this one's my favorite. And some little light up balls, and of course, who could not pass up some red, white, and blue slime for the 4th of July. So if you're having kids or visitors or company, you may want to get a fun basket full of novelty items. They also have these bubble wands in a few different prints for $1. Now I'm just going to share with you guys the pillow that I found on my way out the door. It's really cute. It's $5, striped print with the little red tassels in all 4 corners. I'll definitely be keeping my eye out for new items here now that they're rolling out some new stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this little shop with me, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video.